Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning on a rainy Thursday afternoon. We've got a move-out situation here in Sugar Hill, Georgia. Basically, there's about 6 areas of carpet to do. Carpet's not in awful shape. It is a rental move-out. As you can see there, there's the seam of the carpet. Right through there, nothing we can do with that. There's 3 bedrooms, the living room, the stairs, and a loft area that we'll be doing. We're not going to count this little hallway as an area. It's about, I don't know, 10 feet maybe, so that's just included with this loft. There's a spot there. There's a couple spots in this bedroom here. Some kind of orangey stuff. Went ahead and pre-treated it. That spot was really dark. Pre-treated it to see if it was going to do, and it came out really well with just a quick pre-treatment. So it's 12:30. We'll shoot you the after video as soon as we finish. This is a 6-area, $240 job. They found us on the internet. So we'll shoot this, get this cleaned up, and shoot the after. Stay tuned. Alright, as you can see, it's a little after 1. We just finished up this 6-area job. There were probably a half a dozen or so spots in the carpet. Pointing that out specifically because most of your carpet cleaners are going to charge extra for spots or heavily soiled areas, things of that nature. OMG carpet cleaning is included in the price. It's a flat rate per area, no upsells, no per spot fees. Most people get their carpet cleaned when they have actual spots or heavy soiling in the carpet. But if most carpet cleaners charge extra for that, then the quote they're getting over the phone, not really sure what that actually includes. I know there's several carpet cleaners around Atlanta, some very well recognized carpet cleaners. This is the room that we had the orange spots in. Like I said, I think one was over there and the other one was kind of in the middle. So cleaned up real nice. Again, it's, there's no per spot fees, no upsells. A lot of times the first question people ask is how much? Well, when you're getting estimates, how much can be, typically it's a starting price. And I don't know about you, but if I'm getting prices on something, I don't want a starting price. I want to know exactly what I'm going to be paying. That way I can make my budgeting decisions accordingly. So, again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, OMG Floor Care. This over here is that foam stuff, that putty stuff that the kids make with glue and all the other stuff. And I addressed that with the homeowners before I started. I said, hey, if this is a rental move out, you're probably going to have to replace this one, and I tried to give her an out. She said, no, it's fine. It was there. We moved in. Not to worry about it. So again, we address that on the front end to be upfront and honest with our customers. So omgfloorcare.com. You can reach us at 404-500-9853. Happy to do work for you. We're a great carpet cleaner for pet owners because your 4-legged family members typically have more accidents. We don't feel like you should be penalized for having 4-legged family members. Deodorizer is typically also included with the carpet cleaning, so that's another bonus. Again, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. Give us a call. We're happy to work as hard for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.